So, hi students, let us talk about basic geometrical concepts. Most of the students, they are confused about geometrical figures, likewise a rectangle. In order to understand the geometry of a rectangle, let us make a figure of a rectangle. If you see in a rectangle, you'll find that there are four vertices and the opposite sides, they are equal. This side is equal to this and this side is equal to this. And where the two sides intersect, that is called a vertex. This is called vertex. So there are four vertices. Let us name as A, B, C, and D. So a rectangular is a four-sided figure whereby the opposite sides, they are equal, and the four sides, they make four right angles. These are right angles, right? And the opposite sides are equal. This side is equal to this. This means AB is equal to CD. This side is equal to this side, and this side is equal to this side. AD is equal to BC. And these four angles, angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D, they are all equal to 90 degrees, or they are right angled at the vertex is equal to 90 degrees. Now the other concept is, let us talk about the perimeter of a rectangle. So what do you mean by a perimeter? So perimeter basically is the sum of, is equal to the sum of all the sides. Now we know AB, BC, CD and AD, they are the four sides. So when we add up AB plus BC plus CD plus AD or DA, one and the same thing, right? Now I know AB is AB, I know BC is BC, I know CD is equal to AB. I already told you the opposite sides of the rectangle are equal. So instead of CD, I can put AB because CD is equal to AB. Similarly, AD is equal to BC. So I can put BC because BC is equal to AD. So AB plus AB is 2AB. BC plus BC is 2BC. If I take 2 as a common factor out of these two, then I'm left with AB plus BC, because I know 2 multiplied by AB is 2AB plus 2 multiplied BC is 2BC. So this is the derivation of formula for a rectangle. So this means, now we know AB is the length and BC is the width of the, or the breadth of the rectangle. So I can write to AB is length L and BC is breadth. So the formula is perimeter of a rectangle. So thus perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 into, because if I'm writing multiply and if I don't write, it is implied. This means this is multiply. 2 into length plus breadth. That's the formula that we derive for the perimeter of the rectangle. Sorry, this is rectangle. Likewise, if I am given any problem, if you are given let us suppose you are given a rectangle ABCD whose length is equal to, this is the length, suppose this length is 2 centimeter, this length is 2 centimeter, and the width is 3 centimeter. BC is this. So if you have to find out the perimeter, so what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle? 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into, what is the length? Length is 2 plus what is the breadth? That is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 multiplied by 5, it is 10. So 10 centimeter is the perimeter of the rectangle. Now, if you need to find out the area of a rectangle, what do you mean by area? Let us suppose we are given a rectangle ABCD, and if I want to find out the area of rectangle ABCD, it should be equal to the area, that shaded portion. In case of a perimeter, we take only the boundaries, that thing, the circumference, but in case of the area, we have to take that shaded portion, that is called area. So how to determine the area of a rectangle? It is equal to length multiplied by breadth. Let us suppose length is given to you 2 centimeter and breadth is given to you 3 centimeter again, and you need to find out the area of rectangle. You know, area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth, right? So what is the length given to us? It is equal to 2. It is 2. And what is the breadth? Breadth is 3. 2 centimeter by 3 centimeter. So 2 3s are 6. Centimeter multiplied by centimeter square. So in case of area, you have seen that the unit is square, because when we multiply by centimeter, it is square. But in case of a perimeter, you never write square, because when you add centimeter plus centimeter, it is always in centimeter. In case of area, the unit is always a square. So these are the basic fundamentals. I hope that you like my video. In case you like it and you want to discuss more with me about the area of a rectangle and about the perimeter of a rectangle, and if you want to discuss more things about these terms and about the geometrical shapes and structure and also the formulae, you can write me on the comment part, or you can like approach me directly. I could help you out. Thank you. Hope you like my video, and please do subscribe my video for any other upcoming videos. And thank you so much, and bye. Thank you.